Hello and welcome back to part 2 of Annielife and Annie makes balloon animals. And we have just pumped up all of these balloons. So hopefully we'll be able to do this. We're both gonna do a balloon making competition. And we're gonna each have 1 minute to make the best balloon animal we can. Are we ready? Go! Here is my balloon dog. He has no body and a wonky head. I tried to do a weird tail, but it didn't work. Here is a balloon dog. What did you make?
A balloon giraffe.
He made a balloon giraffe. What's this?
There's got to be 2 ears, but the ears doesn't work out.
This is one of the giraffe and my dog. We have fixed our animals. I have made another dog. What's his name? Josh has made a giraffe. Now it's time to customise them because I found these really creepy eyes to put on them. This is Gerald. Everyone say hi to Gerald and his creepy twin sister, Little Body. Little Body's eyes are on the end of her nose and one's upside down. Hi, I'm Little Body. Hi. Oh, hi, I'm Gerald. It's Gerald and Little Body. What Josh has made? Josh has made Wonky Snakey. Hello, I got an eye on my chin. I got 4 eyes.
It wasn't a giraffe and you sat on it.
Apparently it was a giraffe that I sat on. I made a poo because this is a brown poo. This is Mr. Poo, the poo. I am a poo with eyes. I'm the poo emoji. Now it's time for the most epic sword fight in history. My sword is amazing. I'm a pretty Annie, I'm a pretty Annie, I'm a pretty Annie, I'm so pretty. Josh showed me up with his sword making skills. This is the best, this is called the ice cream sword. It tastes like balloons. What is Josh making? Everybody guess. I have no idea. What are you making? What are you making?
It's for you, Annie. Oops.
He made me a lovely flower.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. This is obshade art. Make of it what you will.